Hey, I'm going to give your mom this check engine light reader. If you guys want to clear the code on the Jetta, I'm going to show you how, and you could drive it if you want. I'll bet you can. If it's not flashing, you should be able to clear your check engine code. So underneath the Jetta dash, when you walk in your car, there's going to be a port that receives this little thing. Plug that in. It's not going to click or anything fancy. And the tool's going to power up. If it doesn't, that's okay. Volkswagens may be different. And we're going to step in the car. We're going to get the key. I don't know where you keep your key. And we're just going to turn it on without starting. Let's get rid of that noise. So turn your key to on. Past accessory. We're not starting the car. Just turning it on. And now, go to OBD, EOBD. Click. Click OK. Waiting for vehicle to respond. It's communicating. And this is where you can check what your code says, or you can clear it. Oh, this is a warning just for this tool. You want to clear anything that anyone's done before, that's fine. This isn't your check engine light. This is just data in the machine. I clicked OK. It's going away. So now up here, you can scroll up and down, and you can read codes or erase codes. I don't have any codes, so I'm not going to read them. But if you just click on Erase Codes and click OK, boop, it says Erase Trouble Codes. Are you sure? Click OK, boop, and it warns you. It'll be lost. You wish to continue. You keep clicking OK, and it's going to erase the codes. All right. Erase done. Press any key to con. Con who? And just escape out of there. We're going to exit. Yes. This doesn't matter. Once you erase it, you can just turn the car off and unplug this. It's fine. So now just turn the car off. Unplug. Unplugged. And that's it. You've erased the codes. You can start your Jetta and see if it works. Love you guys. And remember, I like to work on cars. I can do this for you if you want. Bye.